Hello everyone, my name is Olo Eniptikinia Peláez Castellón. I am from the Cunadule Indigenous community in Caiman Nuevo, Negoclea, Antioquia. I am studying a foreign language with and practice in English at UNAD. And I work as a pedagogical facilitator with children in my community. During this course, I read an important code. I learn for regular verbs is in present, past, and future tense in just 1 week. It was a big change for me because I am still learning both Spanish and English at the same time. To overcome this, I use simple exercise and watches English video every day. I also practiced reading sentence in different verse forms. The records that helped me the most were English video, the basic English QuickBook, and the Duolingo app. These tools helped me review grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. When I study alone, I like to practice speaking in front of a mirror. It helped me feel more confident. But I when speak in front of classmate or teacher, I feel nervous and sometimes forget the words. I have also learned new vocabulary like the past tense of have. For example, I had a car, and comparative like old, older, darker. One sentence I remember is a house is bigger than a table. I also understand simple listen sentence like like let's go to the store to buy bread, or tomorrow we have a meeting. In reading, I can understand short text like the boy is playing with his dog in the park. Now, I want to improve my study routine. My new goals to learn to new English word every day and my sentence in different forms: affirmative, negative, interrogative, and past. This will help this will help me grow step by step. I feel proof of my progress. My goals are still very important to me. I want to speak English fluently, understand a negative speaker, and translate full paragraph without fear. I believe in myself, and I know that with practice and dedication, I will reach my dreams. Thank you for watching my video.